Some friends visit your shop, then stop coming. They did not get mad, they just forgot. It happens to every shop. Here is how you send them a comeback card. Your list of friends is not one big blob. Sort them into little groups. Cupcake buyers here, comic fans there, quiet ones over here. Meet Noor. Her card updates by itself. She bought cupcakes twice, then went quiet for weeks. Now she is ready for a comeback card. It takes just 3 steps. Spot the friends who went quiet. Write one friendly note. Send it and watch who comes back. In the app you just say it plainly. Bought cupcakes, quiet 20 days. The app shows which friends fit before you said a thing. No counting by hand, the app does the hard part for you. Here's the note that lands on Noor's phone. We miss you, come back, your next cupcake is only 3 dirhams. Noor said yes. Coming back is sweeter with a treat. Fill the card, and the last stamp shows the prize. A free sprinkle cupcake, just for visiting again. Everybody loves filling in that last stamp. Noor visits and buys again. The receipt prints, and it stamps into Bibi's notebook. Now the notebook knows Noor is back and happy. Every note remembers where the friend came from. Some scanned a code at your stand. Some tapped a link you sent. The app writes down each one, so you always know what is working. Not sure which note is best? Send note A to half your friends, note B to the rest. The app keeps the winner and sends it to everyone. Next time, even more friends come back. Why WhatsApp? For every friend who opens a paper letter, 47 tap the WhatsApp note. They already have it open all day. Here is the happy proof. Almost every note gets opened. 43 friend groups are ready, and 0 money wasted on notes nobody wanted. The friends who forgot are your biggest treasure, right there on your list. They already like you just have to remind them. Send your first comeback card at remarketly.io.